Welcome back to channel Mr. Cars PK. The Suzuki Mehran has long been a staple in the automotive industry, especially in markets where affordability, reliability, and ease of maintenance are top priorities. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran continues this legacy while bringing in some modern enhancements to meet the evolving needs of budget-conscious drivers. This iconic small car has maintained its simplistic yet practical design, making it a perfect choice for daily commuting and urban driving. Mr. Cars PK brings you an in-depth look at what makes the 2025 Suzuki Mehran a worthy option in the small car segment. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran retains its signature compact shape but with a more refined touch. The design is still simple yet more aerodynamic, improving fuel efficiency and stability on the road. Suzuki has introduced subtle curves on the front and sides to give it a slightly modernized look. The headlights and taillights are redesigned with a sharper profile, providing better visibility and an improved aesthetic. The front grille is small but functional, offering an understated look that blends well with the car's minimalistic styling. Available in a variety of colors, the 2025 model ensures that drivers can choose a shade that best suits their preference. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran is powered by an upgraded 800cc engine, designed to be more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly. This engine continues to be the heart of the Mehran, offering a balance between performance and economy. With a fuel consumption rate that remains one of the best in its class, this car is perfect for those looking to save on fuel costs. The manual transmission provides an engaging driving experience, while an optional automatic variant is available for those who prefer ease of use in heavy traffic conditions. Despite its small engine size, the Mehran delivers enough power to navigate city streets with ease. Inside, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran features a more refined and comfortable cabin. While it maintains its practical and straightforward dashboard layout, Suzuki has introduced subtle upgrades to improve user experience. The seats offer better cushioning for enhanced comfort, especially on longer drives. The infotainment system has been updated with a basic yet functional touchscreen display, allowing drivers to access essential features such as radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration. The air conditioning system has also been improved to provide better cooling, making it more suitable for regions with hot climates. Storage compartments and space utilization have been optimized to ensure maximum convenience. One of the key selling points of the 2025 Suzuki Mehran is its affordability. The price remains competitive, making it one of the most budget-friendly options in the market. Suzuki has ensured that the cost of ownership remains low, with spare parts that are widely available and inexpensive to replace. Additionally, maintenance is simple and does not require specialized mechanics, making it an ideal choice for first-time car owners or those looking for a hassle-free vehicle. Safety features have been slightly improved in the 2025 model, with basic additions such as a stronger body frame, better crumple zones, and optional airbags in higher variants. While the Mehran is still an entry-level vehicle, Suzuki has made efforts to enhance its durability and reliability on the road. The braking system has also been improved for better stopping power, contributing to a safer driving experience. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran remains a practical, reliable, and budget-friendly car that continues to cater to individuals looking for an economical mode of transportation. With its fuel efficiency, ease of maintenance, and improved features, it stands as a great choice for city driving. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or a small family looking for a dependable car, the Mehran delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned to Mr. Cars PK for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest car models.